Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can fix the fail to start a game issue or error in Steam because the app is already running in 2026. So let us guide you through it. So guys, head over to Steam, and if you have been experiencing this issue lately in Steam, this is how you can fix this, for example on the Windows 10 or 11. So in the first step you will need to click into Steam in the top left, sign out and also exit, so to close basically the entire Steam application. However guys, that is not going to suffice and solve the problem entirely. You will need to access your device's task manager too. So if you're on Windows 10 or Windows 11 for instance, press Ctrl Shift, and you know that's a shortcut for the task manager depending on your operating system. And after that guys, what you want to do is navigate to processes here in the top left corner. Now I'm going to guide you through this. As you can see, the task manager interface is not in English for me, but it is the same steps for you. So you will need to head over to processes here, and here inside your ongoing processes, look for a Steam process with 32-bit, which is usually this one here. What you want to do is right click into it and select end the process, and do that by left clicking into it. It may also help if you close, before you do that, close also any other Steam related processes too. And once it's done, simply restart Steam, log into your account again, and the error should disappear. If that's the case guys, please let us know in the comments down below if it fixed the issue for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.